Everyone wants free Grok AI video, but it's not free anymore, so I tested the internet's most viral tools that claim to unlock it. And honestly, I wasn't expecting this result. In this video, I'll show you the website's real outputs and exactly how to generate videos step by step. So, I searched free Grok video generator and found dozens of websites saying unlimited Grok video, no cost. That sounded too good to be true. But after testing, I realized something important. Out of all those websites, only 3 actually worked properly. Let's see what actually works. For all tools, I used this exact prompt. A cinematic anime boy walking in a neon cyberpunk city, 4K dramatic lighting. Tool 1, GeminiGen AI. First, GeminiGen AI. How to generate? Open the website, log in, go to Video Generator, select Grok Model, paste the visual prompt, click Generate. Result? You get a smooth cinematic clip with motion. This actually looks really good, and most importantly, it's completely free. Tool 2, GrokVideo AI. Next, GrokVideo AI. Steps, log in, enter your prompt, select Style, click Generate. Result? It gives limited access, so honestly, I don't recommend this one. Tool 3, Grok Imagine AI. Third, Grok Imagine AI. Steps, log in required, enter prompt, click Generate. Result, short but smooth animation clips. Very beginner-friendly, but it also has usage limits. So, final result, out of all the websites I tested, only these 3 actually worked. And out of them, GeminiGen is clearly the best right now. If you want, I can give you free AI video tool. Comment Grok and I'll send you all links and prompts. And subscribe for more AI tools.